Yeah, this house is apparently built in 1922. And the address is 22. It doesn't look like anybody lives here. The other address is 680. So number 22, 680, and there looks like some cars in the driveway. So I'm not sure if anybody lives here, but it looks like they do live here. Oh, and what street are we on? This is called Vletny. Vletny, that's a name of the street. Vylen, Letlni. Vletny. And here we're going up the hill now. That's where our transport is. A good view. Looks like a private house. Looks like it needs a rebuild, but maybe they want to sell it. And I might be interested in buying it. Beautiful view, good location. I don't know what to tell you more. Anyway, that's all for now.